Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the Introduction to PHP section. This is how is PHP used in HTML. PHP is often used to build dynamic web pages. A dynamic web page is one where each visitor to the website gets a customized page that can look different than how the site looks to another visitor. This is in contrast to static web pages, which provide the same content to each visitor. Here we have static. The user will grab an HTML file and we get that same file regardless of what user we are. In a dynamic system, the user will make a request, and with that PHP file, we have an interpreter that's able to go back and forth in a database and give us a dynamic or specific content to our user. And that can change for every user. In order to create this dynamic behavior, PHP was designed to work closely with HTML. PHP can be used directly inline with an HTML document. When the website is delivered from the back end to the front end, the PHP content is executed and added to the HTML to form one HTML document. The start of inline PHP is denoted with this here, and the end is denoted with this here. As an example, consider the following code. We have a paragraph. This HTML will get delivered as is. Here we have PHP echo and another paragraph, but this code is interpreted by PHP and turned into HTML. In PHP, the echo keyword is used to output text. The text in this case is everything between the double quotes. An instruction written in PHP is called a statement, a semicolon. A semicolon is required at the end of each statement in PHP. So when the code above is executed, it outputs the text into the HTML file and the front end will receive the following HTML document. This HTML will get delivered as is with a paragraph tag and then our other paragraph tag. But this code is interpreted by PHP and turned into HTML. Our instructions say we've included the example from the narrative here so that you can see it in action. When you are ready, continue to the next exercise. Let's zoom out. And here we have that same code, our H1 at the top. So our heading, my first PHP site. Then we have our paragraph. This HTML will get delivered as is, which is here. Then we have this PHP statement, which we are able to add in line with our HTML. And it takes it and it's able to insert it into our HTML. And then we're able to throw in a paragraph, end that statement, and then have another statement over here with an unordered list. And we see it there. Both are created. These are interpreted by our PHP and translated back into HTML. And then we have here in our footer another paragraph that says, and this code is back in plain HTML. So here we're able to see that in action. We're able to see the PHP interpreter interpret our PHP and send it back to the web server where it serves it as HTML. Or like it says here, when the website is delivered from the back end to the user front end, the PHP content is executed and added to the HTML to form one HTML document. And just remembering that the start of inline PHP is denoted with this here and the end is denoted with this here. That's probably the key takeaway from this lesson. Those two things, knowing how the start of a line and the end of a line of PHP looks, and just always having in your mind that there is a PHP interpreter which allows us to serve dynamic content. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.